Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2018 Chevrolet Volt. This vehicle is featured in teal metallic paint with alloy rims. We have leather seats on the inside as well as heated front and rear seats. We also have navigation, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as our hybrid engine. Now on to the interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, fuel filler cap release, as well as our Bose speaker and storage. We have our lighting controls, full digital gauge cluster, steering wheel controls for heated steering wheel and cruise control, full leather wrapped steering wheel. Then we have our front seats featured in black leather with blue stitching. They're heated seats, padded leather center console lid, cup holders, gear selection stalk, then our climate control and heated seat options, as well as our infotainment screen. Now back onto the exterior of the vehicle, we can see our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, our plug-in for our electric engine. We have our paint matched mirror caps and door handles, fin antenna up top, paint matched as well. Around in the back we have blacked out headlight housing. You can see the Chevrolet bow tie inside. Our Volt badging, and this is a sport back. So you can see it opens all the way up to the top there. Now on to the rear interior. The rear door panel also features our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, as well as back of the front seats we have leather magazine holders. Back of the center console area we have a charging outlet and heated seat options, as well as cup holders. And the rear seats are a 60-40 split with fold down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2018 Chevrolet Volt. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.